instruct me, we'll do it accordingly.
Sir will begin with the introduction, and the anchor will ask you to address the audience. Then you can start.
Okay. So my introduction will be given by you, not by me.
Yes, sir. The anchor will introduce you.
So I can start your introduction about your college. About the STEM college is there. A lot of reputation was there. I had visited your college
Yes,
2010-11.
yes,
So
sir.
I can rekindle my memories, all that. But I can able to read it because I am in the business to do all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Great. That will do.
Hmm. So good evening, Sagar.
Sir, should we wait for all to join?
Okay. Okay.
Hi, Sagar. Good evening.
Good
Hello,
evening.
sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Mhm.
Good evening, Sagar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Natra sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Raghu and Pandeji, Sagar, all everybody. Good evening.
Sir will begin with the introduction as per the agenda,
Mhm.
and then we'll begin with the addresses.
Hmm. Are you able to read me or visibly? You can see visibly me, yeah?
Yes, sir. We can hear you. We can see you also.
Okay.
So should we begin? Hello. So should we start? Regu sir.
Yeah, Sagar. I think we can, with the permission of our chief guest for today, Mitra sir. I just wanted to inform that Singupta sir has dropped a message that he would not be able to join. He has some health issues, so he's been asked to take bed rest. Nothing to do with COVID though. It's just some other problem that he has, so he has to take some rest. And so also, I think Manav is not reachable, so that's where we are at. Mitra sir, with your permission, shall we start? I think Pandey sir is also there, and Verma Saab is also here.
Yes, Regu, let us start. Now it is
Okay, sir.
time.
Thank you, Pandey sir.
All right.
Okay, sir. Mahima, please begin.
Okay, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, chief guests, judges, teachers, and the very talented participants. I heartily welcome you all to the Oleum 21 prize distribution ceremony of Nauroji Wadia College 20 student chapter. Firstly, I would like to thank Mumbai section for sponsoring the event. I'm glad to say that we have Mr. N.K. Mitra, Mr. Prem Kumar Verma, Mr. K.S. Pandey, Mr. Manav Kanwar, and Mr. Regu Padmanabhan as our chief guest. Mr. T.K. Sengupta had accepted our invitation, but due to health issue, he is not present. I'm honored to say that we have Mr. Natraj Wadadi and Mr. Pradeep Chellappan as our judges. I'm pleased to mention that we have Mr. Sanjay Shitole among us. And I'm also glad to say that we have Mr. Ashok, Pune Chapter Liaison and HOD of Geology and Petroleum Technology, Dr. Sanjida A. Khan and faculty. I.S. Mahima Communication Chairperson of Nauroji Wadia College Student Chapter, along with my co-host, Karminder Kaur, Program Chairperson, take this opportunity with great joy and immense pleasure to host this ceremony that has been observed to commemorate the achievement of our SPE chapter. Education is not just imparting knowledge to the students, but it is also the process of character building. We roll down a carpet of welcome to each one of you present here. Thank you all for giving us your precious time. Now let us take a trip down to the lane of SPE chapter. The SPE student chapter of Nauroji Wadia College was established on 26 January 2015. We can confidently say that our chapter is one of the most active and growing chapters. It is a great pleasure to mention that Mr. T.K. Sengupta This student chapter helped us in bridging the gap between the students and the oil and gas professionals. In addition, every individual gained an opportunity to develop their technical and soft skills, which is instrumental in forging alliances and thereby building their confidence of the students. Through various activities under SPE, the students developed decision-making skills and ability to work as a team. Apart from this, we conducted an off-campus event, SPE UPS Fest, where our students participated and our student chapter secured the 3rd position in India. Even due to the changing time caused by COVID-19, the Nauroji Wadia College student chapter launched various online programs to make it hassle-free and smooth. This included a series of technical lecture series and webinars, in which we organized online sessions for the development of soft skills of students, which is often overlooked. And here we are again conducting prize distribution for the event Oleum 2021, conducted last month. In the framework of Oleum, we conducted 3 different competitions, including poster making, essay writing, and quiz. These competitions were meant for the PG students of petroleum technology or petroleum engineering and UG students of geology. This event received an overwhelming response, and around 100 students from 16 prominent institutions, colleges, and universities participated in these competitions. In the wake of corona pandemic, all competitions were held online. Now to initiate, may I now invite our program chairperson, Ms. Karminder Kaur, to introduce our chief guests.
Thank you, Mahima. Good evening, everyone. I, Karminder Kaur, along with my colleagues, feel honored and privileged to have men of distinct vision, fountainhead of illuminating ideas, idols of knowledge and experience, and an inspiration to all of us. Firstly, I would like to introduce Mr. N.K. Mitra. Mr. N.K. Mitra has worked as the director offshore of ONGC and also served on board of several other companies in India. After that, he worked for Reliance as president, drilling and completion from 2009 to 2013. He has also worked for Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation Limited as chief operating officer from May 2013 to September 2017. He worked with McDermott International Limited as chief advisor. An active member of SPE since his student life, he has served on the board of SPE Mumbai section in various capacities over the years. He is the founder section chairperson of SPE New Delhi section. Currently, he is the chairperson of SPE Mumbai section. Now, I request Mr. N.K. Mitra to share few words with our keen audience.
Sir, please start your audio. It is off. Mitra sir, please start your audio.
Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you now.
Yeah, I'm basically very much interested for this is development of technology in oil and gas industry. So from my graduation after School of Mines, and I joined in ONGC, and since then I'm affiliated with SP. I'm the oldest member of SP. I've attended a lot of applied technology workshop and written many SP paper and given lecture in ATW lectures, and I started ATW in India also, maybe 2004. So, but your participation looks like very interesting because you have started 2015 at a postgraduate course in petroleum technology, but I have visited you 2010. I have given a lecture to postgraduate in petroleum engineering on exploration. So, this Oleum 2021 is a great competition between the 16 colleges under CEO, and there are various category of awards are there. This postgraduate winners quiz is there. This postgraduate poster session is also there. But in view of oil prices, which was going up for some time, gone to $65. Now it is coming down, both in NEMEX and North Sea. So Indian oil price is also a little bit of dilemma because most of the exploration companies not getting this their value of exploitation because the operating cost is marginally between $38 to $46. So they are in a the revenue and the balance sheet are not that much attractive, but it is coming up, but it is ups and down. After COVID will go down, it will again balance it, because US production has gone down a little bit and Saudi Arabia has reduced the production also, because to maintain the price high, but still they are not able to manage it. For last couple of days, it has gone down by $6. So with your permission, I can declare the winners of the postgraduate quiz. Rank first is Nilesh Daulat Malade, and number second is Subhankar Gujal, and number third is Rahul Tulsiram Pawar, and consolation prize is Devans Srivastava. He is from IIT Bombay. My other three students are from North Wadia College of Pune. Similarly, in the poster session, Sumed Sanjay Padlikar, for number 1, is from Narsi Wadia College. Siddhan Gokhale is Narsi Wadia College. And Kumudi Bhole, he is the Ferguson College, Pune. And consolation prize, Ankush Umale and Rahul Chaudhary, the Narsi Wadia College. So with these few words, I call the event manager or who is coordinating the program student chapter. They should take over it and they should continue it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sorry to interrupt. I would like to kindly request to mention the winners, not immediately. They will be discussed further.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Prem Kumar Verma. Mr. Prem Kumar Verma has 44 years of experience in various spectrum of Indian E&P operation, asset management, including 27 years in deep water offshore and 17 years in onshore project implementation, operations and integrated studies with reservoir engineering and surface facilities. He has successfully managed as President of Operations at First Deep Water Project of India, KGD6, East Coast of Reliance Industries Limited, and as Executive Director of Hira and Neelam Asset, Western Offshore, and managed Bombay High